In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert MP4 to MP3. In this ultimate guide, with this knowledge, you can convert any MP4 video to MP3 just without anything, without any software, without any application, just with your file manager. Now, open your file manager. Here, now open the place you save your videos or you save the video you want to convert. Now, as you can see this video, this is
As the
MP4
morning
video,
sun paints
but
the
how to
canvas
convert
of
it
dawn,
now. Now, to
rise with
convert
a
this
heart
video,
filled with gratitude for
right
the
back, go
gift of a
back.
new.
Now, press on the video. Now, find rename. Now, click on that rename. Now, click on this MP4. Now, change it to MP3. Now, click on done. Now, click on OK. You see how this is converted to automatically to MP3. Now, you can listen to it as music. See how it work. Now, click on any music player you have.
As the morning sun
You can
paints the
see,
canvas of dawn, rise with a
you can
heart
see
filled with
this work
gratitude for
in
the gift
any
of a new day.
device.
Bathe in the radiance of God's love, which washes over you like a
You
gentle
see it.
breeze.
If you found this video helpful, consider like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more helpful tips like this. And also, if you are visiting for the first time, like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to never miss out for more AI tool and tech related guide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.